How to find downloaded files on Telegram. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list page. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. This is the Telegram settings page. Over here, go to Data and Storage. Then, tap on Storage Usage at the top. Here, you can view all the storage details. Scroll down and tap on the File section as shown. Over here, you can view all your downloaded files on Telegram. Tap on any to view them. You can also go to the Media section beside Files to view all your downloaded videos. Following these steps, you can easily find downloaded files on Telegram. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.